Hi everyone, welcome back or welcome to an episode of Life with Mary and Joe. And in today's episode, in this quick little video, I'm going to be enhancing this plain brown frame on this picture so that I can add it to my gallery wall, which has other framed art on it that have a little bit more ornate frames. So as you can see, this is very plain frame. Now I could have just painted it out, and try to make it blend in. But I thought, hey, let me try to make it a little bit more special, a little bit more ornate, you could say. So what I decided to do was use one of these self-adhesive plastic tiles from the Dollar Tree. Now I had this left over from another project that I did, and as you can see, I don't know if you know these tiles from the Dollar Tree, but they usually don't come in this color. This one is spray painted a bronze, which is fine. I'm using it as a base, but I'm going to paint it anyway. So what I did was I cut it into strips and I added it to the insert of the frame. Now the adhesive is only around the edge of those tiles, so there really is no adhesive all over the place. So what I did was I used hot glue and I just drizzled that on, and then I placed the tile pieces into that frame. So as you can see right here, what is on all four sides, I have the tile. Now I didn't do matchy on it because it just kind of looks like bumps and detail around the outside of the frame, which is basically what I was looking for. So the next thing that I did was I used the painter's latex caulk because I wanted to smooth out the edges of where the tile met the frame. So I let that dry, and what I did was I used a wet paper towel and I just smoothed it all in, and I made it all look cohesive and as one, because of course I didn't get a nice clean edge. The next thing that I did was I just used black acrylic paint, again from the Dollar Tree, and I'm painting the frame out with the black. Next thing is I painted gold on top, and then I took a paper towel and I kind of splotched it off so that the black would show through. So you can see right here, I'm demonstrating how I put the gold paint on, and then I started taking the gold paint off. And there you go. Here they are. I hung them on these two architectural pieces that I have on the wall, and now they blend in with the other artwork that I have hanging on my gallery wall. Okay, buddy, thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Bye-bye.